642 up here on deck 13. This is a Sky Junior Suite. So as you come in on your right-hand side, there's your closets for all your clothes. Will be hanging in there. You can do double rows of hanging. Your luggage would fit in there as well. Across from this is your bed that can, as you see, it's in its king configuration, but you can separate these to be two twins. And there's more hanging and storage on that side. Moving further in, you have a little sofa over here, more like a little love seat, a little movable cube or a little footstool. But there's also a movable round coffee table. At this end, you have a desk, 2 US, 1 European, 2 USB, and that mirror does light up. All right, there's also a mini fridge here. You got an espresso machine or coffee machine, nice size TV, and plenty of storage there as well. This does have a decent balcony, so let's take a peek at that. So you do have a couple of chairs, which are sort of recliner / loungers. There's some footstools and a nice coffee table or a little table, end table, whatever you want to call it. Great views to the front and to the back of the ship. So definitely a nice view at this cabin. Now this actually is a bath and a half. And so on this side, you have a half bath. Nice vessel sink, right? Toilet is not bad for someone my height at 6'4", so it's pretty good. So I would fit in there pretty good. Ace and I talk about having a bath and a half. We need to have it. So this has a shove tower combo. Oh no, it doesn't. Sorry. You've got a, actually, I'm going to have to correct myself. There is no toilet in here. The toilet is on the other side. So it's really just one bathroom, but split up. So your toilet's on that side. On this, you have a stand-up shower and a tub. There's no shower in there. Single vessel sink, couple shelves. There's power up there. So yeah, and it's got a rain shower head up top too, and a little sort of opaque window you can see here. So somebody taking a shower, I'm sure you can see some shadows there. But yeah, this is a Junior Suite. Let us know if this is your speed in the comments below. We'll see you on the next one. Ciao.